Some people say that drawn out comb is beekeeper's gold, and I agree, because we can use this next year and it's so much effort for the bees to draw out comb. It can really slow down your honey production and brood rearing if the bees have to draw out the comb first. But what do we do about wax moths that try to get in our comb over the winter? Well, today I'm going to show you one way that you can reduce the influence of wax moths on your drawn comb over the winter months when you're storing them. Stay tuned. There's several ways that you can protect your comb in the winter time from wax moths getting in and eating it all up. I'm going to go over just one of them today. It's a natural compound that you can spray on your comb that will deter the wax moths from getting onto your comb during the winter months. This is vitally important. There are other ways to store your comb, and I can go over some of those in another video. I'm just going to show you one today. But no matter how you choose to do it, you have to take some proactive action to protect your comb. Otherwise, you're going to find that you lost all your comb over the course of the winter, and it just will get eaten up with wax moths. At least in my area of the country, it's a problem. Now, I know in some areas of northern areas, for example, they may not have as much of a problem with this because it's so cold and their frames are stored in areas where it might be below zero, and it's just like putting it in a freezer then. But in my area of the country, where we rarely have days that get below, even in the winter, 25 or 30 degrees, the wax moths will really have a heyday. Plus, I store all my frames indoors in a climate controlled environment, so again, that really helps the wax moths a lot. So I'm going to show you one product today, and let me grab it for you right now. So the product that I'm reviewing today is called Certan, C-E-R-T-A-N, and it is available for most beekeeping supply stores. And the way you mix it up is 1 part of Certan to 19 parts of water. So it's basically a 5% solution. So this, depending on how many frames that you have, will last quite a bit. As far as how much do you spray on your frames, the recommended amount is between 3/4 to 1 ounce per frame. And so if you have 20 frames, you do 20 ounces, mix up 20 ounces, then that kind of your frame of reference there. That's 2 boxes for just using 1 ounce of this solution. So this comes with 5.5 fluid ounces. So I think theoretically, roughly doing my math, you should have enough for 10 deep supers full of honeycomb for 1 bottle of this Certan. So I'm going to mix a little bit up here and go ahead and spray some of my frames that I'm trying to protect for the winter. All right, so I went ahead and put 1 ounce of Certan in my sprayer, and then I filled it up to 20 ounces on the bottle. I know this bottle looks old and ratchety, but I did clean it up real good. I'm gonna go ahead and stir this up a little bit more. How long does the Certan last? The Certan lasts only for a few hours to 2 days at the most. So you need to mix up just what you're gonna use in a couple of days. And again, you're gonna aim for about 1 ounce on a deep frame and about 2/3 of an ounce on a medium frame and 1/2 ounce on a shallow frame if you're using a shallow frame. And all we need to do is just spray it on here. You should put it on pretty thoroughly on the frames. And it's kind of hard, I know, to estimate when you've used about 1 ounce or 3/4 of an ounce on a medium. But it does say it needs to be on there pretty thoroughly. It is a natural compound. You can use these for honey supers again next year. And then you just need to let it dry. And this will protect your frames from wax moths over the winter months. Soak it good. It leaves no residue. It's not toxic to the bees. It's not toxic to humans. You can use it on your honey supers. And hopefully it's going to keep your wax moths off of your frames this winter.
Hi, this is Ray. When you hit like, subscribe, or leave a comment, it really helps me to build my channel. So thank you so much.